It feels very good to work on a project that's very technologically advanced.
The line winding automation is a machine that takes a injection molded spool. Once the winding portion of the cycle is complete, the robot places the spools on a conveyor. We're spitting out a spool on this machine approximately 6 seconds.
The old stereotype is that manufacturing was very dirty. It's actually clean, sophisticated work. I started working on the assembly line just like everybody else. I went to TCC to advance my career. I've moved up through the ranks over the years. What I do is design and implement production machinery that is intended to assemble units. What was appealing for me about advanced manufacturing was the fact that I had an opportunity to work while going to school. They also helped me pay for school here, and I'm happy with how far I've been able to come.